Shandong Yuequn Machinery Company Limited was established in 2007, covering an area of 40,000 square meters. It is comprehensive export enterprises which specialized in the research and development, production, and sales of wood-based panel machinery and equipment. All along, Yuequn Machinery is committed to technological innovation, product optimization, and intimate service. With independence, focus, and excellent professional ability, we lay a solid foundation for the development of wood-based panel machinery and equipment industry. Our company has a number of independent intellectual property rights, professional R&D team. The main products are wood log debugger, wood veneer peeling machine, automatic veneer stacker, veneer dryer, veneer composer, glue spreader, cold press, hot press, automatic edge cutting saw, sanding machine, and so on. To ensure that all equipment to meet customer needs, we make every parts with hearts, constantly improve product functions. All departments make efforts to ensure every process strive for excellence, from equipment research and development design to production debugging. At present, our products are exported to more than 70 countries and regions such as Russia, the United States, Germany, Japan, Turkey, Indonesia, Ethiopia, and so on. All our machines are obtained ISO 9001, CE, SGS, and other international certifications, which could provide a strong guarantee for the development of customers' enterprises. In order to gain more market advantages in the competitive international market, we strengthen production management, emphasize production quality, and we provide customers 24-hour services with multilingual. To meet customers' different requirements, we constantly develop new products and offer private customized. Company's technical experts are constantly upgrade and improve product performance by absorbing advanced technology at home and abroad. By combining with the actual needs of market development, we have obtained a number of national invention patents. In order to improve brand awareness and product influence, the company registered the Yuequn trademark in 12 countries. Let the Made in China reputation in the world. Let Chinese products lead the world. The spirit of Shandong Yuequn Machinery are unity, enthusiasm, diligence, studiousness, not afraid of difficulties, optimistic spirit. Our vision is to make Yuequn people work with happiness, live with happiness. It is our eternal pursuit to create first-class products with artisan spirit and make Yuequn brand famous at home and abroad. Yuequn create a new model of future cooperation with customer-centric